All right, we have finally made it. Oh my gosh, it is such a beautiful day outside. Look at that. It's finally vacation time. Need this so bad. And look at the view. It is absolutely gorgeous, and the water is not too rough today, so maybe we'll get to go out to see the sunset. We've still got a little bit of time before sunset, as you can see. Sun's still a little bit pretty high up, but we're walking down to the point down here because sometimes, I don't know about this time of day, but occasionally there are a lot of sea creatures and wildlife that you can find. But we'll just go see what's over there now. There might not be anything, but we might have to come back tomorrow morning. I've been following this bird for so long, it's like I'm taking him on a walk. He's just like... He's my new pet. Hopefully it shows up on camera, but the sky is absolutely beautiful, and so is the water. It's like cotton candy color, and the sunset is absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh. It is so peaceful out today, so we're going to go see the sunrise. There it is right there, but we're going to see what it looks like on the water. As you saw, the sunrise was absolutely gorgeous this morning, and today we don't really have a plan. We're on another walk right now just to see what's down here a little ways from the condo, but we do have a guest coming today, which we're super excited about, so you'll see who that is later. Found a little sandbar, and I feel like there's something out there in the water, but I can't tell what it is. So, probably going to go in now. Got the crazy beach hair going, but Tonight we are having some fish and potatoes and salad, I think, and maybe some roasted zucchini. Don't know yet, but fish will go here, of course. The potatoes are in the oven. We're doing some zucchini. So yeah, we'll have zucchini, potatoes, salmon, and oh gosh. And salad, that was the other thing. But the guest is about to arrive, so we're going to see who it is. Here she is.
My friend died.
No.
I'm sorry of my life.
Face off.
No, I turned his back on me.
You think he'll go if I run him? Alright, let's tell the camera what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to, let's see, that little area over there because there's a swing. And is there anything else over there?
What?
Anything else over there?
I don't know why I'm here. I don't think so. Just
The only way up is up.
to go up instead of down.
Let's go. I'm gonna beat you.
Do because I don't care. I hate this. And go back that one.
Wait, say
You're
that again.
lightheaded, don't you?
You're lightheaded. Swing is right there. Condo is right there. All right, woo! I'm gonna slide down this thing. What did you do that for?
I don't care.
She just spilled water all over herself.
Passion.
Okay, we made it. Look how pretty the view is. This is my favorite part, the climbing tree right here. I like getting up there. You got this. That's also another good climbing tree, except it's really hard to get up into. All right, let's try this. Swing.
I told you.
Yeah, that's hard. Oh no. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I just walked the rest of the way like that.
Really? It's gonna take hours. Right near where we just saw that bird, there is a nesting area for, I'm not exactly sure if it says specifically, but super cool. It's really, really big. And I've seen a few birds around here in that area. They usually have sea turtle nesting sites around here too, but normally it's a different part of the year and they're that direction, further down the beach. Hopefully you can see, but that is a, right there, is a very interesting type of bird. I have not seen one of those on the beach before. I don't know how close I can get. He's got a really colorful beak though. He's so cute. So we just got back from kayaking and that was so much fun. It was so beautiful out there and the water was not too rough, so we did not fall out, thank goodness. Really fun experience though. Very glad that we are getting some relaxation in and also some fun stuff. Okay, we just did a run walk and now we're probably going to go back to the condo and regroup. It's the last sunset of the trip this time, and it is insane how calm the water is and how quiet it is out here right now. Just look at that. Like, no waves. Completely flat. Alright, it has been a super duper fun trip to the beach. Thank you so much for watching. But anyway, I will see you in the next one.